Do you know? So I attended one business seminar. My mentor in that seminar, my mentor told me wonderful statement. Share market related seminar. Mahesh, listen carefully. Share market related seminar. He told if you want to success in the share market, 5 rules I'm going to tell. If you follow these rules, definitely you are going to succeed. Like he told. At the first rule. What is the first rule he told is 5 rules to succeed in your share market. In your house, how many ladies are there? Ladies or girls are. Okay, usually in our house, wife will be there, daughter will be there. Okay, next mother will be there. Next maybe sisters are there. Okay, like the girls are ladies like only these members. Correct, right? In our family, compulsory we have to make them happy. Then only your business is going to be succeeded. Then only your activities, whatever activity you are going to do, you are going to succeed. Make them happy. First rule you require to follow. In our family, if a girl or lady is eyes with, do you know, water, if you are seeing the water in our eyes, means your business by default will be gone. That is the starting point of your destruction. Make them happy, then your home will be happy, full positive energy. Whatever you are going to do, definitely you are going to succeed. This is the secret my mentor told. Getting right, Anjana?
Yes, something.
Ah, what you are losing if I go to the furniture shop, man? Matter of 5 minutes or 10 minutes. Okay, please
Possible.
go. Meanwhile, I will make a phone call to a friend. Important discussion is there. Please go and then come. Give that flexibility. Don't be
From,
rigid.
from that day onwards, I never say wherever you want to go, then I will look at it. That's
Wonderful,
it.
right? Wonderful.
Then I'll learn from that lesson.
Full peace of mind.
Yes.
They nothing. They want to do anything. Oh, they are taking very much care than us about money. All those things. We are not required to worry. We should provide such some level. Okay, we require to accept. We require to okay give that space for them also. Right.
One more thing I observed, if you give full permission to them now, they will not spend any rupees also.
Exactly.
If we are managing a house as a husband, then they will say, I want this one, I want this one. I given 1 year to manage to
Complete
my wife,
responsibility. Then
complete responsibility. Every month I am giving money when salary is credited.
exactly.
Then nothing, I'm not bringing anything from outside. She is managing. Then she said,
Yes.
I don't want to do this management. You do yourself. If I do, then
Exactly.
I will not buy anything. That thing
Yeah.
also I observed, sir. They are very particular on that
Yes. Yes.
money wise.
Correct. They are going to responsibility is always
Yes,
going to provide extra care.
yes, yes.
Yeah. So those so everyone got the point clearly.
Yes, sir. I think Modi is successful because the finance minister is also lady,
Ah.
Nirmala Sitharaman.
But we are losing.
They are going to take very much care man than us. మనకన్నా కొంచెం ఓకే చేతులు ఉంటాయి కానీ బట్ దే ఆర్ గోయింగ్ టు టేక్ వెరీ మచ్ కేర్ డోంట్ వరీ ఎస్ దట్స్ వై ద 15 years rolling. Yeah, good. Now I hope everyone in the position to understand